We'll guide you through how to make small block transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create modern block-style transitions in Adobe After Effects. It helps them turn simple cuts into dynamic motion effects that look more professional and engaging. This technique is commonly used in social media edits, promos, and music videos to make scene changes smoother, more creative, and visually interesting. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips into the project panel. After importing, place both clips in the timeline and overlap them slightly so the transition area is ready. Once the clips are arranged, create a new shape layer and draw a small rectangle using the Shape tool. Duplicate this rectangle multiple times to build a grid of small blocks across the screen, making sure the grid covers the full frame. After building the grid, select all the block layers together so they can be animated at the same time. Press S on the keyboard to open the Scale property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to Scale so the animation can begin. At the start of the transition, set the block scale so they are visible in their normal size or slightly reduced depending on the effect you want. Then move the playhead forward and animate the blocks appearing one by adjusting their scale or timing in sequence so they build across the screen. As the animation progresses, the growing blocks cover the first clip completely. Once the grid fills the frame, the transition begins to reveal the second clip underneath as the animation completes. This creates a block-style wipe effect between both clips. After setting the animation, preview the result by playing the timeline from the start of the overlap section. Check that the blocks appear smoothly, cover the first clip fully, and reveal the second clip at the correct timing. Adjust keyframes or timing if needed to improve the flow. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check output settings if necessary, then click Render to export the final video. Your block transition is complete.